Hey, so how to transform a boring looking 2D elevation into amazing graphic just using Photoshop? Perfect. That's all we're gonna learn in this video. Yeah, feel free to comment if you like this video.
Pastel pink in the sunset. You know I never wanna make you upset. How did I become so upset?
What is up guys, my name is Vismay. Welcome back to my video. If you want any of the graphics I use in this video, check out my graphic pack video. Yeah, let's start the video. Okay, once you have drafted plan open, we're gonna add some textures. Simple. Okay, यहाँ पे make sure आप जो भी texture यूज करें वो high quality का हो and seamless texture हो. And now duplicate the layer by pressing Alt key. Make sure your texture layer is selected. Now there are a lot of texture layers, so we're gonna select all and right click and merge them down to one single layer. Okay, after adding textures to the whole image, we're gonna mask out spaces where we're gonna place this texture. Select the base layer. Now select mask tool, shortcut is M. Select the area. To select multiple spaces, press shift and continue. Now select the texture layer and click on mask tool. Now next step is basically up to you. Here I will add a darker texture and with the same technique apply this texture also. Okay, if you feel you're learning something new, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. It gives so much motivation to make new videos. Okay, back on the track. Now we're gonna add textures to the window. Now here we're gonna make color balance adjustment tool to the window texture to make it more bluish. It's up to you. Now make sure clipping mask on हो so that जो भी हम changes करें basically वो सिर्फ एक specific layer पे हो, not overall all layers are affected. Yeah. Okay. Now हम Windows frame को highlight करेंगे. Very simple. Select base layer with the help of lasso tool, shortcut M. सारी frames select कर देंगे. Okay, अब एक न्यू लेयर क्रिएट करेंगे और उसमें हम कोई भी स्पेसिफिक कलर ऐड कर देंगे. सो यहाँ पे मैंने बेसिकली रेड कलर चूज किया है, पर अगर मेरे को कलर बाद में चेंज करना हो तो मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ. सिंपल डबल क्लिक ऑन द लेयर, गो ऑन द ऑप्शन ऑफ कलर ओवरले एंड चेंज इट. या okay, now same method we use wood textures on the doors. here हम texture को proper scale up करके add करेंगे. Now next step is we gonna add ground. So basically gray color add करेंगे for now and also sky. and यहाँ पे हम कलर बैलेंस एडजस्टमेंट ऐड करेंगे. Okay, So ground basically बहुत flat लग रहा है, so here I thought that add a grunge texture and जो ग्रे लेयर है उसको मल्टीप्लाई ऑप्शन में कर देंगे. Now we're gonna add clouds. Here I will add using brush. So if you want cloud brush, just Google it. Okay, finally, now comes the most interesting part, to add shadows. Here I will show you some different techniques to add shadows. It's up to you what you like. So make a new layer, name it shadows, take lasso tool, shortcut is W. We're gonna mark the area where we're gonna add shadows. Now with the help of brush color black, reduce opacity and flow. So in this technique you can see a line comes. So other technique is we mask out larger area so that line don't come. Yeah. Now the final step, we're gonna add some birds and vegetations to the image. Yeah. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye.